schedule a task in ClientLook related directly to a contact. And one of the ways to do that is from the contacts record. Just click the Activities tab to start. You'll see the list of pending activities, tasks that have yet to be completed, and future events shown in this list. And to schedule a new task, just click the Schedule a Task button. So what's the difference between an event and a task? An event is an activity that has a time associated with it. So the activity below is an event. It's scheduled for the 23rd from 12 to 1. A task would simply be an activity that doesn't have a time. You want to follow up with this person a week from now, but it doesn't have to be at a specific time. So in this example, we'll schedule a task. And we can enter a subject. We can choose the category here. That's going to be a phone call. I can attach a file or a web link. And I can choose a due date. And this list contains some pre-programmed options to make scheduling easier for you. So you can choose that I want to call this person tomorrow, in a week, in a month, in a year, or you can choose any specific date that you want. But in our example, we'll say that we want to call this person back in a week. Now I can add some details related to the activity here, and I can associate this task with projects if I want to. So if I'm going to follow up with him in regards to Brownfield as a project, I can do so. The list I see on the left are all the projects that I'm related to, and by choosing one, I can now show this task in this project record as well. Now down at the bottom here, I can specify whether I want this task to be available to everyone in my subscription or to just me, whether I want to assign it to somebody else, and this list contains all the other users in my subscription, and whether or not I want to have a reminder pop up at a designated date and time. Once I'm done, I just click Schedule this task. And that's it. You'll see the task appear in our list. Now, when I've completed this task, it's easy to indicate to ClientLook that that's the case. Just edit the task and check the completed checkbox that you see here and choose Save this task. Now, if I wanted to, I could have added any other additional details about the outcome of the task, but once I've completed it, it will no longer appear here in the list of pending activities and instead will show up in the Updates section as you see here. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful. Check out all the other ClientLook tutorials in our video showcase for even more tips.